Well, good morning. It is kind of a cloudy and drizzly morning as you look at our Syntex Roof Systems camera at the 25 News Studios in South Waco. You can see some of that rain moving through the live radar network, picking up on a few of these showers, though they aren't severe. They are producing some brief heavy rainfall, especially right over the city of Waco and then back to the east over towards parts of the Mart area as well. Some showers working down into Bell County. Again, light to moderate rain with these. Also some light to moderate rain with this activity here just east of Mart. That's going to be lifting up through Prairie Hill and may get those of you into Wakena back towards Hubbard. Again, light to moderate rain, nothing severe. We also have some light rain falling in the Brazos Valley, but again, nothing of this is severe. There is warm air that's sitting to the southeast as well, mid-70s in the Brazos Valley. That's because of warm fronts here. That's providing the lift for these showers here this morning. That's going to lift back towards the I-35 corridor later on today. Eventually, that warm, muggy air will fuel the potential for some thunderstorms. Right now, it's there, but no severe storms are popping because we have this cap of warm air above that in the atmosphere that's stopping that thunderstorm development. That's what this haze is on this map here, that gray haze. That'll be with us through the morning, which is good, because all of this warm air is going back to the I-35 corridor. That cap wasn't there. We'd see some strong to severe storms form. However, as we get into the middle of the day into the afternoon, not only will we heat up providing more energy, but that cap will likely start to erode. And this is when we'll have to watch for some strong to severe storms to develop east of I-35 later on this afternoon. I think that threat stays east of 35 too. I don't think the warmest air will get far enough west that we'll be able to do that. Hail up to the size of golf balls, winds to 60 will be possible with thunderstorms that can pop in that yellow area, as well as the potential for a tornado or two with those thunderstorms that can stay isolated. This morning, all we're talking about is the rain. You can see that here on Future Track, light to moderate rain continuing. As we get into the afternoon, though, you'll notice some of these thunderstorms trying to blow up a little bit more. As long as those temperatures are in the 60s, we're likely staying away from severe weather along I-35. But look at those 80s that start to build in here as we get into the afternoon, and watch how these thunderstorms blow up. These are going to be the ones we have to watch for that hail, high wind, and potential isolated tornado threat as they move off to the east. So a window for severe weather east of 35 this afternoon. That will go away as we go into tonight. We'll monitor for thunderstorms to develop here overnight, especially as we get into the overnight hours after midnight. That's when I expect a round of showers and thunderstorms to move through. And although these will likely be less severe, they could still produce some hail. Notice how temperatures are in the 50s, though. These are not going to be tornadic thunderstorms, which is good news, and they'll clear out and get out of here. We'll see temperatures in the 50s. Nevertheless, the entire area does have the potential to see some hail with some of those storms overnight. To the size of $half, winds to 60, no tornado threat with that, and we could even see some flooding develop because we're going to see some heavy rain out of this. Potential's there for 1 to 2 inches of rain with that round that moves through overnight. It may wake you up. It's going to be loud, and these thunderstorms will get out of here in time for you to enjoy your Saturday. It'll just stay cloudy and cool, temperatures in the 60s. Then Sunday, we'll start to erode that cloud cover, but we'll still be in the upper 50s. Look at the mid 60s on Monday. We could see morning lows in the 30s, and then we start to warm back up to the 80s next week.
All right, have you ever heard of Quitter's Day? It's held every